Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 news. First off is this one about the crypto basic wallets, which had an XRP rise of 102% to over 5 million. People are eagerly anticipating the precise time frame in which this occurred. As XRP investors, we've endured a lot of bullshit in recent years, especially from the SEC, those dickheads, but XRP adoption is through the sky. It's remarkable, really. The sustainability of XRP in the long run may depend on this parameter. What I see is yes. Behold this headline that you published today: new 10-year milestone attained by XRP whales. Additionally, Medico HSBC and Ripple CTO have announced a strategic alliance to enter the $10 trillion crypto custody industry. The article's intriguing focus on the changing ripple effect is one of the main reasons I want to share it with you. It's due to progress. On the whole, it's a positive thing. But the message being sent to the general public is evolving. Yeah, we're a financial technology business that processes cross-border payments. That's no longer the case. The first thing that comes out of Brad Garland's lips is something along the lines of, yeah, we're a crypto company, enterprise level, which isn't necessarily related to XRP. I don't see it as a sign that they're losing interest in XRP, though. Actually, everything they release openly, and every data that is publicly available shows that XRP is being used more and more. Its value as a bridge currency highlighted Ripple's paramount importance. The only difference is that Ripple is also doing other things. In any case, that's how I perceive it. I should preface this by saying that I come from absolutely no financial background. Please do not base your investment decisions on anything I say because I am not a financial advisor. As a pastime, I like producing films on YouTube regarding cryptocurrency for fun. I'm simply an enthusiast. And for the sake of enjoyment alone. Even though it has 0 XRP, the headline above says that its value has increased by 102% to over 5 million. Over the past 3 years, the number of crypto market players holding XRP has increased significantly, topping 5 million, a growth rate of 102%. Notable market intelligence firm Santiment has brought this new development and an article about X to the public's notice. With 5.2 million unique wallets, the XRP ledger has reached a major milestone, as announced in the article Santiment. In particular, some wallets contain XRP currency that do not balance to 0. For the record, the XRP ledger has been in existence for more than a decade of public trade, and this amount is an all-time high. Moreover, sanitation you can see that in the past 3 years, the amount of wallets with XRP balances greater than 0 has increased by more than 100%. Since February 10, 2021, this figure has grown by 104%. That was about 3 years ago, my pals. Roughly 3 years ago, this occurred immediately following Ripple's lawsuit filed by the SEC, which may be seen as an assault on all of us XRP holders. You have increased by more than double that amount since then. Also, nearly the whole span of that era. XRP lacked clarification from a legal standpoint. It was July of last year that we finally received that, as you are well aware. That being said, isn't it breathtaking? Let me show you the XRP Ritualist webpage, if you're interested. You can see the appearance of this beginning in April 2022. April, I apologize. No, I think that's correct. I agree with it. I stated that, so yep, that's it. I see. Very well. Yes, it is visible to the naked eye. The intensity simply continued to rise. I can't believe it. Because, in all candor, that was the worst possible outcome for the neighborhood as a whole. The effect on the whole XRP system, too. Yes, it is correct. Nevertheless, the process of acceptance persists. I feel like we could be onto something here. After all, there must be some truth behind this. This is just mind-blowing. Furthermore, it appears to me that we have a decade of history behind us. The network effect is not heading in the wrong way, it has practical, real-world applications. Furthermore, it has increased by 300% in the past 5 years, as they pointed out. Again, I'll remind you that there were fewer than 700,000 XRP wallets when I first started investing in crypto in 2017, and there are now little over 500 F5. Notice where we are right now. I just don't see how it may not outstrip in terms of market activity and price movement once we reach the new ecstatic period of a market cycle. Compared to what happened in late 2017 and early 2018, I can't imagine how it could possibly be worse. When XRP reached a new all-time high, it's difficult to understand. From a macro perspective, everything appears to be going swimmingly if Bitcoins continue to achieve fresh all-time highs. And XRP has achieved this degree of acceptance. The thing is, it never actually occurred. I mean, it's practically incomprehensible to me. Without a doubt, the whales have a good idea of what's going on, particularly the playful whales who become all wet and wild. Here is the story on YouTube. I would want to read it in its entirety. They are covering statistics from sanitation, and I simply want to make a basic comment about this. Additionally, they compose sandmans. A recent tweet disclosed that there are currently 5.2 million wallets on the XRP ledger that hold more than 0 XRP currency. According to the research, this is the most whale addresses that XRP has had in its whole public trading history, which spans over a decade. What do you think about that? I can't wait to see what happens in 2024. That's exactly what I was hoping for. It's possible, and I'll admit it, that things get really bearish. Which is bad. However, I am genuinely quite hopeful that we will witness some significant fireworks towards the end of the year. Even the first half of that year has the potential to be thrilling, but that's outside the point of this video. I've already covered that ground in my previous films. Therefore, I will not repeat all of it. However, I have faith in the near and medium-term developments. I believe that we, the holders of XRP, will soon receive ours. The rest is up in the air. Next, there's the news that Medico and Ripple CTO have announced a strategic alliance to enter the $10 trillion crypto custody industry. Look at this, HSBC, it's a brilliant move for Ripple's diversification. Simply put, it's not a good idea to put all your crypto eggs in one basket, and this is just one more reason why. Because if you're not diversified, you can miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to profit from the arrival of cryptocurrency and the life-altering wealth it delivers. It makes sense to me that Ripple is taking these steps to secure their business for the future. They are implementing measures such as on-demand liquidity with XRP serving as a bridge currency and other similar initiatives. But they are also taking other measures that will be necessary as the crypto asset class gains traction in the market. Pieces of information on the strategic move by Ripple CTO, David Schwartz, into the crypto custody market with major firms like Medico and HSBC, which is estimated to be worth $10 trillion, have been made public. His latest appearance on the Thinking Crypto podcast was when he brought up the idea. In particular, the discussion lighted on Ripple's acquisition of custody-focused firm Medico, as reported last year. The host then asked about the details of these moves, including whether HSBC would incorporate the XRP ledger into its operations, and whether Ripple would form a partnership with global banking giant HSBC. Schwartz responded by saying that Ripple needed a complete solution to become a one-stop shop for institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies, which is why they decided to go into the custodial arena. A safe custody solution was an integral part of his concept for a platform that would allow users to tokenize and make payments using the XRP ledger, which he emphasized. His query was totally reasonable, and I'll just pause to let him know that. I mean, think about it, what if Ripple suddenly took control of XRP and the law was clear everywhere on Earth? Also, for whatever reason, XRP isn't involved, somebody from Ripple is going to be confirmed by it. In other words, I'm simply stating that it will be present. At any rate, the calm persists. Also, according to Schwartz, institutions that are interested in entering the cryptocurrency market would seek out a provider that offers custody, liquidity, payment solutions, and connections to both on and off ramps. He even went so far as to say that adding custody would make Ripple the top enterprise solution provider in the market. If he is correct, Ripple would be in a difficult situation, especially considering how strongly they support XRP. Would XRP benefit from that? I believe the answer is yes once again. Permit me to proceed under this assumption. In May of 2023, after researching and assessing other firms, Ripple's chief technology officer announced the acquisition of Medico. According to his own admission, the most significant deal in March was worth $250 million. Schwartz also predicted that the custody industry will be worth $10 trillion by 2030, highlighting its importance. According to estimates, the custodial industry would be worth over $10 trillion by the year 2030. That will just turn into, quote, second chores as tokenization continues to rise. Thus, consider that. Consider that in 2036, our current market worth of roughly $1.51 trillion will have grown to $10 trillion. Because there will be some volatility even when compared to today, even when lessened, the exact amount will depend on where we are in the market cycle. Cryptocurrency has the potential to utterly devastate someone, so it's important to keep your emotions in check and not get caught up in the day-to-day details. But I'm convinced it will be that enormous in 2030 if I simply look at the broad view, like waves. And you know what? I think XRP will be a part of that final product, whatever it may be. In your opinion, XRP will continue to rank among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Even if it's not certain, I fail to perceive any reason why it wouldn't be. It's going to be unseated because, well, it does what it sets out to accomplish. Clearly, the cryptocurrency community as a whole has come to the conclusion that a coin with exceptional payment capabilities would have a home in the industry. The good news is that XRP's ledger includes a ton of features. Because of its built-in decentralized exchange, the first of its kind, XRP has several potential uses. Along with that, there will be further matters involving side chains and posting as collateral for various items. You know, there's a ton of new NFT features in the horizon. A lot of positive things are happening, like the approval of an automated market maker, which will bring greater attention to the area or the XRP ecosystem in particular. And this is just going to grow, so it's like this: my entire strategy for crypto is to purchase goods and do nothing. I'm merely attempting to capitalize on it. From my perspective, the more often I switch between positions, the more likely it is that I will make a mistake and cause chaos. Therefore, I sit around and do nothing after I buy goods. That's how I'm investing my XRP, and I'm certain it will fetch a pretty penny in the future. It's my wager. Discover it side by side. You shouldn't put your money where your mouth is because of anything I write or say. I'm not a financial advisor. The video ends there. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.